How to mute camera sound on Samsung phone without silent mode. So if you're taking photos and you're annoyed by this sound which camera shutter button makes when you tap on it, I'm going to show you how you can disable this sound without going silent on your phone. So firstly, let's just open up the camera, and when you're pressing the camera shutter button, it makes this sound. So if it annoys you, then what you can do is you can press your volume key, either volume up or down button, and then tap the three dots in the slider. From here, find the very left section, the first one, and just drag it to the bottom. This is the system sound. So you can turn off this system sound. Let's go back. And now when we are pressing camera shutter button, we can hear no sound. But keep in mind that this method will disable not only camera shutter button sound, but also all your system sounds. For example, tapping keyboard or something like that. But you will still be able to hear alarms, ringtones, and so on. Another way how you can do this, as well as disable vibration, is to go all the way to the settings, click on the sound and vibration, then go in the system sound, and from here also drag the slider all the way to the left, just like that, to turn that off. Then find this blue option on the bottom, vibration feedback, and tap on it as well. And here you can also just drag all the way to the left, system vibration intensity. Or what you can do is you can disable camera feedback just within the same setting. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.